Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Cactus Minute. In today's video we are looking at Copiapoa cinerea, or as I call him, the king of Copiapoa. A highly desirable and very rare species of Copiapoa. They are extremely slow growing, extremely. This is a seed grown plant, never grafted, and it is growing in 100% mineral mix. I grow them in very strong light. There are times of the day where this will receive direct light with no protection from the greenhouse or shade cloth, and they seem to appreciate it. Copiapoa cinerea are one of the true desert dwellers, and as such they've adapted an amazing resilience to sun and to drought. So my recommendations for growing them are strong light, very low water, and a whole lot of patience. You cannot rush these plants. There are several different varieties which will differ in appearance. The one we're looking at now is Copiapoa cinerea ramosa, and ramosa refers to the skin color, which is sort of like a reddish purple color. This plant is grafted. It is on very short stock. They can be degrafted, and they handle this process actually very, very well. You just got to be patient with them. So today we looked at Copiapoa cinerea, an absolute jewel and gem amongst cacti. Alright everyone, thanks for watching, and as always, happy gardening. Bye.